Hi everyone, today I'll be making a chocolate cream cheese pie. What all goes into the chocolate cream cheese pie? 1 frozen 9-inch ready-to-bake pie shell, thawed, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, softened, 1 4-ounce chocolate instant pudding and pie mix, this is 3.9, 1½ cups of milk, and 1 cup of frozen whipped topping, thawed. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. So take your thawed pie shell and prick the bottom. This will help it not bubble up. And you want to prick the sides as well. So put your thawed pie crust in a preheated 400-degree oven for 11 to 14 minutes until golden. So after 15 minutes, I took it out of the oven. It cracked here and cracked here. The longer I was cooking it, the more cracks was popping up. I might have thawed it out too long. I don't know. It is brown and it is cooked. So we'll let it cool completely and then we'll finish our pie. Take a large bowl and dump in your softened cream cheese into the bowl. Take an electric mixer and mix that on medium until nice and smooth. Then add your packet of chocolate pudding mix and your 1½ cups of milk. And mix that until well combined. Scraping down the sides as necessary. So take your mix, your cream cheese mix, and pour it into the cooled baked pie shell. And spread that out. So take your thawed whipped cream and put it on top of the chocolate cream cheese. And this is a cup of thawed whipped topping. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to spread that out. And we'll kind of make our little peaks here, just kind of so it looks kind of like meringue. So you can leave it like that, or you can put fruit on top. You can drizzle a little bit of icing or whatever. I'm going to sprinkle some of these chocolate sprinkles on there. You don't want a whole lot, you just want it to look decorated. So there we have it. We will cover it up and put it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. So when Dave gets home tonight, we'll have this for dessert and he can give it a try. So here is the chocolate cream cheese pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Chocolate cream cheese pie.
Huh. That's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.